for B for C for D for E for F for G for God એટલે H for horse એટલે horse એટલે શું? ઘોડો. હા, ઘોડો. I for J for K for L for M for N for હે N for बताओ नोज बताओ O for E for P eat Q for R for S for T for टाइगर કેમ બોલે U for